When thunder strikes. Growing up, I was never afraid of the usual things. Snakes, skeletons.
Yes! Even though I've rendered him never living.
Monsters.
Mumra's dirty remains are still surprisingly quite potent.
No. What caused my heart to quicken and my palms to sweat? I was worrying about the future.
That's rich. You calling my remains dirty?
Fate. Destiny.
Mumra, you can still make yourself heard, given your present condition. But how?
So as long as evil exists, Mumra lives.
And whether or not I will ever live up to mine.
So it would seem. You, my ashen friend, failed your masters one too many times.
And yet, the ancient spirits of evil choose you over Mumra.
While I have promised to grant them the thing they've wanted above all others. Freedom from the Black Pyramid.
Yeah, freedom.
I must admit, I am quite fascinated by your ancient spirits of evil. Did you know that this very edifice in which we stand, Snake Mountain, was conceived in honor of one of the ancient spirits of evil? The Serpent. Long lost sister spirit of the four you served. The Serpent's true history was revealed to me through my study of the Golden Discs of Knowledge. An ancient treasure trove of lore left on Eternia by the wisest men and women of the universe. Though the snake spirit was long gone from existence, I soon discovered that her brethren were still alive and kicking. Well, you know, in their all-powerful ancient spirity way. It's unfortunate the ancient spirits of evil no longer have a use for you. But chin up. I do. I have been scheming for, well, forever, to use He-Man's sword to make the power of Grayskull my own. But that power is so tremendous it would kill anyone who summoned it. If they weren't up to snuff, shall we say, in the worthiness department. But you, Mumra, you are the solution to my fatal character shortcomings. You're the whole reason I became involved with the ancient spirits of evil and insisted they make you part of the bargain.
Why bother being worthy when I could more easily and evilly be ever living? All I need do is complete this potion.
Then I suppose you have thought of everything.
Well, there's the muscle-brained buffoon who always insists on being a bother.
Some see duty and expectation as nothing but burden. But I take them upon myself willingly, as an honor. Not because I'm better than anyone.
But without his sword of power.
But because I'm desperate to prove myself. To prove I am not just a silly boy in over his head.
He-Man has never been more vulnerable.
An opportunity I have already taken steps to capitalize on.
He-Man? What?
Easy, my king. The planetary disturbances have subsided, but Eternia is still in grave danger. A monster disguised
Adam!
as...
Where is Adam? Is my son safe?
Oh yeah, he's safe. Couldn't be safer.
I put Adam out of harm's way before I returned to tend to you. The prince is fine. I'm sure he's worried about you.
Well then, as long as everyone is safe, I suppose there's absolutely nothing to worry about.
Evil Lyn!
Among others.
Who are you?
Friends from out of town.
But we've joined forces.
All we need do is kill you.
And Skeletor makes us rich beyond our wildest dreams.
And it looks like we won't even break a sweat doing it.
Not so tough without your sword, huh?
Careful, you idiots! He's still incredibly dangerous!
Careful who you call idiot, witch. We mutants agreed to execute this oath, not to put up with your high-handed pronouncements of...
I don't know how much Skeletor is paying you, but I promise you, it's not nearly...
Oh, that's enough out of you.
Men talk.
Beasts kill! Tryjaw! Trap Clop!
Is that bird brain talking to us?
What is it, Vulture Pants?
Ready the equilibrium defibrillators! Now!
If I knew mutants were this bossy, I would have passed on this job.
Just keep your eyes open and wait for the signal.
Rain him again, Monkey.
But watch the splatter! It's not easy getting blood out of fur!
No, not easy, but so worth.
Equilibrium defibrillators! Fire! He's still standing! Quickly! Equilibrium defibrillators to maximum!
Set to max.
Impossible! Nobody can survive one beam at this setting, let alone 3! His mind should be mushed by...
Sorry, are you talking about me? My ears were ringing.
Don't worry, boys. I'll take it from here.
What?
Always so dense, He-Man. In mind, and now, thanks to my spell, in body as well. Your density is increasing exponentially. Soon you'll be so heavy, you'll plummet through solid rock, buried alive in the bowels of Eternia herself!
What's that? The bowels of Eternia?
No one buries the power of Grayskull! Back for more?
I'm warning you, He-Man. No one trifles with... life.
Excellent work, Your Majesty. I couldn't have done it without you.
Burnt ashes and bindings compel the giving. Release unto me the power ever living. It is done. All I need do now is drink.
Alas, you, Mumra, shall be living nevermore.
No, wait, Skeletor! Spare me, and I will reveal to you your enemy's greatest secret, He-Man's true identity.
Whether he's a circus strongman or a silly schoolgirl, his secret matters not at all to me. My complete victory over him is already at hand.
No.
Bottoms up.
No.
By the power of Grayskull, I have the power!
New villains, a new world, a new scheme from Skeletor. I'm not sure how it all ties together yet, but I won't rest until the realm is...
Your Majesty.
Adam? Adam!
They say wisdom comes with age, but I can't wait that long.
Though it has taken me many seasons to make the power of Grayskull my own, I must admit it was worth the wait.
Upon my shoulder rests the fate of 2 worlds.
So much power!
And when all is said and done, I may indeed still be a boy.
And well
While it's true I could not have accomplished this without the asinine spirits of evil, they can rot in their black pyramid for all I care.
But I am no child.
Now that I'm finally able to wield the sword of power, I will breach Castle Grayskull and claim the ultimate source of power that resides within its walls for myself.
And best of all, with He-Man out of the way, there's no one who can stop me!
I am a warrior. I am a king. Thunder! 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 Thundercats! Ho! I am Lion-O.